Hello, my name is Jeffrey Wilson. In a nutshell, I've been doing 3D graphics since 1993. I went to Vancouver Film School, and now I've gotten into visual effects work and 3D scanning, mostly in Hollywood, and films such as The Edge of Tomorrow, where I had a chance to scan Tom and work with Tom Cruise's scan, video games like MLB The Show and other video games, most recently Killing Floor 2 and the Sleepy Hollow TV series. I'm going to deal with software such as Soft Photoscan, capturing reality, and all the peripheral software needed to produce content and ready to render visual effects assets and a game asset for the Unreal Engine. ZBrush, of course, is the major workhorse that I'll be using. Another piece of software I use pretty heavily is Topogun, clean topology that can bring back in ZBrush and reproject onto the scan. Use that piece of software. We'll also be using the Quixel suite. There are a few others that I'll be going over. Xnormal, probably a software called Nald, and possibly Geomagic will be in the mix a little bit too. I'd like to thank you for ordering this copy of 3D Scanning for Games and Visual Effects Volume 1. This will be the first in an ongoing series of tutorials that I'll be publishing on this website for the near foreseeable future. Again, I thank you for your patronage, and I have a lot of information that I'm going to be willing to share with you, and I'm sure that you'll be able to get a lot out of it.